Okay. So guys, anyone remember this game? So they probably turned it into a game, and it was made by giantmilkdud. And so, wait a second. Wait, let me explain. Wait. Oh, wait, guys. Why? Wait, here's why. So, why the TattleTail game got changed to a toyale roleplay? It's because of copyright reasons. So here's why. So, don't mind the history. Why? Okay, here's why. toyale roleplay is a roleplay game made by giantmilkdud. It was previously known as a TattleTail roleplay, but in the late 2018 underwent a complete rework. This was mainly due to copyright reasons. Okay, that's confusing. So, I explained that what happened to the TattleTail game. So it got copyright reasons, guys. But you can still play this game. So this bunny looks cute with the pink dress. I think it looks like me. It looks like me. So I used to play the TattleTail game when I was 8, like in 2018, of old Roblox. So, and wait, let me explain. And in 2018, I used to love this game when I was a little kid. And it got copyright reasons. In 2018, they changed the game to toyale roleplay. And so make sure to subscribe to my channel and comment what you think this game looks like. Or tell me about it. So bye!